All right, guys, this is the Bosch 1/4" 18-volt brushless screw gun. Now, this thing is specifically designed for drywall, screwing in drywall screws. This thing is really nice. It's lightweight, very easy to hold. Got a couple different ways to hold it. You can hold it like that, or you can hold it up here top and hold it as well. It just makes putting in drywall screws extremely easy. Now, what I like about this one specifically is that it has a retractable depth stop. Now, right here is our depth gauge. So as we turn that, it will decrease or increase our depth of the bit here. And you'll see that as we twist it here, you can see the bit goes in and out. But what I do like, what is really nice about this is once we get to the correct depth we want, all we got to do, again, put our screws in. If we need to back one out, we can simply pull that back like that. And you'll see that the bit comes farther back out and we can just retract the screw. So it's not like you then have to adjust your depth so that you can pull the screw back out. Another thing I like about this is it has a locking mechanism for the switch. So if I want to turn this on, it is variable speed. If I want to turn this on, I just pull the trigger down like that. I can push this button and it will lock, right? And then I can do one after another screws. So I don't have to keep holding that trigger down. That's really nice. Push the trigger again, and you'll see it pops right back out. All right, so along with that, as you'll notice, once I pull this and lock it, it stays on the whole time. Well, if I go down here, my on or off, I can hit this on or off, and you'll see that shuts the actual motor off, but it still works. So in this instance, when this is on, I can still use this to put screws in. If I push it down, it'll engage the motor and it'll actually screw things back in. And then when I set it back down, as you see, the motor is shut off. On-off button right here, turns it back on, turns it back off, but now it's back on. So those are a couple features I really like about this thing.